Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy cauliflower cheese. Super simple, and it just so happens to be gluten-free too. Less effort, less washing up, but still with all that creamy, cheesy flavour. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Chris always asks for cauliflower cheese on his roast dinner, and my recipe is super simple. No need to make a roux. We just lightly steam the cauliflower and then assemble the dish ready to bake in the oven. I've got the oven preheating to 200C or 400F and a large pan of water coming to the boil so we can par cook the cauliflower. Chop 1 large or 2 small cauliflowers into florets. I like to cut through the cauliflower just at the base of the stalks and then pull the florets apart so you get the nice shape of the cauliflower rather than straight edges. Place the cauliflower florets in a steam basket over a pan of simmering water and place the lid on top. Or if you haven't got a steam basket, you can just boil it in water instead. So now we steam or boil that cauliflower for about 5 minutes until it's just tender but not soft. After 5 minutes, remove the cauliflower from the steamer or drain over a colander if you've boiled it. Now it's time to layer up the cauliflower, cream and cheese. Yep, that's right, I'm just using cream and cheese for the sauce. So I've got 1 cup or 240ml of double or heavy cream, and I've got 150 grams or 1.5 cups of mature cheddar cheese. Make sure you use mature cheese so you've got all the flavour. Now pour 2 tablespoons of the cream into a baking dish or a cast iron pan. Then sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of the cheese. Arrange half of the cauliflower in a single layer. Then top with half of the remaining cream and 1/4 of the remaining cheese and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Top with the remaining cauliflower. Then pour on the remaining cream. Sprinkle on the rest of the cheese and a good pinch of salt and pepper. Place in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbly. Remove from the oven and sprinkle with chopped parsley before serving. And that's my super simple cauliflower cheese. Easy, less washing up and gluten-free too.